Want to know how a BearVault 475 fits into a Gossamer Gear Gorilla? Well, today I'm going to show you with some visualizations of how it fits in, how it fits vertically, how it fits horizontally. So how does it fit vertically in the pack? Slides right in with plenty of space. You can see where it comes up to in the pack. There's still plenty of space for packing above, and there's plenty of space around the canister to pack in your quilt or clothes. Sliding this in vertically. Just let it fall into the pack. There's plenty of space. I'll put in these 1 liter smart water bottles to give you an idea of how much space. Even with the water bottles in here, you can see that the seams are not stressed too much. Now how it fits horizontally. It's a very tight fit. I'm not sure if it's going to fit around the neck. Maybe just barely, but that's, you can see it's very tight. Just getting it in. It will slide in. Getting it down, I think, is going to be a real challenge because it's very tight here. An alternative is putting it in vertically and then rotating it later. You slide it in, get it to the bottom of the bag, and rotate it. It's a little bit tight when you're rotating it, but once it gets in there, there's a small amount of space around where you could pack in some clothes. I don't know about a water bottle. Yeah, that's really tight. That's really going to be pushing the seams. So there's not really multiple inches of space. There's a little bit of space to fit some soft things around. In here, this is not stressing the seams at all. This is plenty of space. It's a little bit snug, but it's not going to rip your seams out. Here it is horizontally. This is how far up it comes. It's quite low in the pack. So there you have it. Does the BearVault 475 fit in the Gossamer Gear Gorilla? Absolutely. A BearVault 500 will absolutely fit in vertically. The BearVault 475 fits in horizontally as long as you rotate it afterwards. A BearVault 500 definitely wouldn't fit horizontally. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. I've got a goal of growing to 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate everyone's support. If you're using a bear canister with your Gossamer Gear Gorilla, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the trail.